We're here. Fit check? Wait, no. We're going to a soccer game. We're about to crash.
Fit check.
What I got on. Okay, she's gonna edit. Is this gonna go on YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna become famous. Oh, wait, sorry.
You're already famous. Oh my god! You're already famous. Okay, I'm gonna stay focused because I did. Okay, let's start over. So,
we were talking about what we wanted to wear and what team we want to support because we don't know what team to support. And I said, we gotta support LA because we're from LA.
yes,
Baby.
we are technically, we're born and raised in Los Angeles. And to put a cherry on the icing of the cake, I was actually born in the city and within the radius of where we will be watching the game. So I said, I did think about rooting for San Jose because obviously up north it's much prettier there.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, maybe I should go with a calming color like blue.
Mm-hmm.
But I did go with black because it is the LA color.
Yeah.
But you're wearing a little bit of
Navy blue.
a soft navy blue with roses. So will you be rooting for San Jose?
I'm rooting for whichever team has the cutest players. So the best eye candy.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's probably gonna be both teams, I'm assuming.
Hopefully, let's see.
Well, I'm really excited. But what did you say why were we laughing?
Because I said I'm from LA, baby. We from Cali. In LA, we like to party. But yeah, that's it.
Okay.
That's sweet.